Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video what we will do, we will define our caching and serving static asset. Now as we know, the service worker file is entirely event driven. This means that it won't run any code unless it's responding to an event. The main events we are interested in are install and fetch. Now let's see the install and fetch events. So these are my install and fetch event. What we will do, if anything happens to our service worker, if any service worker is added, it will tell the user to install our updated app and it will fetch all the data. So this is how it will do. And next thing is we have to add the static files. Okay, to make it offline available offline, we have to add the static file for the caching. So how to do that? We have to define two variables, which are these. Now the thing about this variables are, as we are deploying it on what we say GitHub pages, so we have to define all the paths and it should be in the root folder, correct? Because GitHub pages should be identified where are the folders, and it cannot go to that any other folder like images, CSS, so it will not do their work perfectly. So make sure that all this file is in your root folder. See that my this index.html is in root folder, this style.cs is outside that. So do changes according to that. And after that, you have observed this dot slash and dot index.html, although both are same only, but as you know, the cache API is very little. We need to explicitly cache both even though they are result in the same file on the server. So we are done with this. Now what we have to do, we have to set up our cache. So how to do that? It's very simple. Add these two lines and this. And what does this line means? That open or create new cache with the same name as we specified, and tell the cache to fetch and add all the static assets. Now what we have to do, we have to check it in our browser whether caches have store or not. So what we will go to our browser and see if it is store or not. Inspect, right click, application, and in the cache storage we can see that, okay, whether it is that, see that we are registered, and yes, we are done. But there is one error we have done, like I will show you what error is that, where it is. Yes, uncuffed in promise type error failed to, see that, execute add all on cache request field. Because what we have done, I will show in the code. So all these names should be accessible. ये like एक भी अगर गलत रहेगा और एक भी अगर फाइंड कर में अगर उसको प्रॉब्लम होगा ना, तो सबका सब कैश क्रैश हो जाएगा. सो अभी अपन गलती क्या किया मालूम क्या, ये जो styles.css है ना, वो फोल्डर एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता. हमारे इधर styles.css नहीं. अभी देखते कैसे होता है. अभी हम फिर से जाएंगे मेरे इसमें. Okay, let's see what is happening. Let's reload, and this application, we can see that everything is cached perfectly and we are done with our work. And also now what we have to do, this serving cache content, and now in the next video we will serve this cache content to our app. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section, and like this video, share with your friends, and do subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.